Hey guys, Mr. Polchain here. This is going to be the HD remake, the full HD remake of the Harbor Breeze, or Heritage Breeze, Armitage ceiling fan. It is the crappiest fan in my aunt's house because it is made by Heritage. And this time I'm going to show you all 7 speeds on the control. Here's light on the dimmest setting. I hate these stupid Lutron controls. They're so finicky and they're horrible. I hate them. I had one of these stupid controls for the Hunter Kensington ceiling fan in the Boardwalk Plaza Hotel at Rehoboth Beach in room 310. Here's the light. Actually, I'll turn it off with the chain. It's Heritage, relabeled Harbor Breeze, sold at Lowe's. Low speed, low position. Wow, you can already hear humming noise. That's sad. Speed 2 on low. Speed 2 on low position. Speed 3 on low position. Speed 4 on low position, or is that, yeah, low position medium speed, so that would be speed 4. Speed 5 on low position. Speed 6 on low position. Speed 6 for low, speed 7 for low position. Or is it, yeah, that's speed 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Medium position, low speed. Speed 2 on medium position. When you touch the control or make it on, put it on a different setting, it makes a weird sound in the fan. Speed 3 on low position. Here, I'll let you hear it. I don't think you heard that, but oh well. Speed 3 on low position. I mean medium position. I'm so sorry guys, I'm tired. Medium position, medium speed. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Speed 5 on medium position. Speed 6 on medium position. And speed 7 on medium position, or medium position high speed. Low position high speed. High position low speed. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Speed 2 on high position. Speed 3 on high position. Speed 4 on high position. I mean medium position, medium speed. Speed 5 on high position. Speed 6 on high position. And last but not least, high position, high speed. And for your typical Heritage, it does not spin very fast. And there you go. That's it. Thank you for watching.